Yagni benta jonga kubor la wanraj pi daga fatafat online shopping store.
U Director Bashipor jong Kanigrims, U Dr. P. Bhattacharya, Ulayathu Banakalian Kanigrims, Kansapalong Kajingwal Banya, Halor Kajing Shakno, Drunk Ti Jongwe, U Dr. Kanigrims, Hakini Kindiat Singi Baladeb, U New Director Bashipor, Ulapan Pauru, Yakajis No Diao, Halor Kanigajing Shakno, Drunk Ti Jong Dr. Kanig Hospital, and Ulapan Pau, Yakajis Nok Ti Lang Barkaan, Banlap Yakajing Shisha.
If it is found that this is actually what happened, this is one of the most regrettable incidents that can happen. Only thing I can tell is that when you take somebody on board, you can never know exactly what is his intent. And sometimes they say what is the scope and what is the character of the person. The two together, they have to match. Then we come to know that things happen. We try to have a system where this chance is kept to the minimum. We have Kongs at every OPD and they are serving two purposes. Most of the time they do the translation and the other is that they are an attendant. We encourage a family member very often to be present. Here there were two people in that room and I have not yet received any formal report as to exactly what happened because that will only be part of an inquiry. Whenever such a thing happens, as you said, we cannot presume guilt also. But at the same time, if somebody is making a complaint, I have to think that a person, a lady coming up and making a complaint is a serious thing. That means it is her honor she is talking about. So we have to take cognizance of that. That is why we were totally cooperative. The police, whatever procedures they did, we have assisted them at every point. He has gone. Apparently, my law officer told me that today the case had come up for hearing and something is expected. Either he'll continue in custody or he will get bail. That is up to that because inquiries etc. will take place. But it is a thing that all of us, I may have a wife, a daughter, somebody, mother, relations, friends, we should all ensure that this is never happening. So we can only condemn that even such an event had a scope of occurring. Only thing I can tell is that in our institute we always have Kongs in the OPD. In a crowded OPD like medicine, it is surprising how a person was alone with a lady being examined. So, but the rest is we can only find out later. But this is something that it's very, very unfortunate. And this is something we have to try to see never happens.
Ulapatharu you medical superintendent ban puloi ke jingwat bnya halor kani ke jing shakno ban phanok loy ka kai phot shau.
So he has been processing it and he will be giving his report after he has completed it because anyway the resident is also out from here, so there is nobody to ask. So he can only be asked. The extra inquiry etc. will happen with the people. It will be definitely initiated because whatever happens in court, we will have our own preliminary inquiry because it is also important to see where the system could have failed. But as I said, medicine OPD is a very crowded OPD.